Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Maddie. Thank you so much for joining. I do have to apologize if you hear anything upstairs. My parents are currently in the kitchen and that is right above me where I'm filming. So I am super excited today to give you this video. As you can see from the title, a bunch of Disney YouTubers have collaborated together to do a Halloween swap, which is fantastic, and I'm so thankful to be a part of this group. I do want to say quickly, if I do sound a little nasally or stuffy, I am getting a cold and I've tried to push this off for the long as I can to film, and unfortunately I gotta do it. So I want to know, guys, if you know where this is from. What's today's date? It's October 3rd. Comment down below in the comment section if you know where that's from. And again, so basically what we did is we did a box swap between a bunch of us, and there was a couple criteria that all of us had to give in each box. I think it was like a wearable, a pin, I can't even remember what they are, but I will leave them here on the screen or in the description box down below of what the criteria was, but I think there was like 4 or 5 things. The rest of it was just having to do with Halloween. So I'm super excited to dive into this, and I would like to know if you came from someone else's channel. Please comment down below where you're coming from, and I would love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button. I also would like you guys to go see who I sent my box to. It will be the first link in the description box below, but shh, I'm not gonna let you know who it is. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So I always give you guys the first sneaky peeky, so here we go. What do we see? What do we see? Ooh, there's a little note. It says, Madison, I had so much fun shopping for this swap. I hope you like everything. Oh, so I got Sarah over at Chronically Disney. Oh my god, that is amazing. Thank you so much for this cute little card. Oh, I'm so excited. So there's a bunch of bubble wrap. Well, I actually will be saving for my candle business, which is fantastic. So thank you so much for that. And then once I open, this is everything inside. A bunch of different colored goodies. I am so excited. Okay, so I don't think there's any note on if I need to go in a certain order or not. So I am going to just grab some at random. So first up, I have this black wrapped tissue paper. I have a feeling I know what this is, but I'm not too sure. I'm thinking it's like an ornament. If it is, I'm gonna freak out. Oh, you wrap these so good. Oh my god, I was right. I don't have this one. Oh my freaking gosh. That is so exciting. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys know this. And Sarah, I don't even know if you know this. I actually collect a bunch of Jack and Sally Christmas ornaments. It's literally my #1 thing that I collect. My whole entire tree. I have a white Christmas tree. It is all decked out in Jack and Sally, and this is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. So this is a great first item to have in the box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love box swaps. Okay. Second item. I love feeling things. I feel like these are like slippers or socks. Oh, I love me some socks. Oh my god, yes! These are Disney villain socks. Oh my god, Cruella de Vil, Ursula, Maleficent, Queen of Hearts. Dude, this is freaking awesome. And I don't think I have any Disney socks, except for like my Nightmare Before Christmas ones, and maybe, no, I don't think I have any socks, so this is perfect. I lose my socks all the time, so that works out really great. Okay, so then I have this little itty bitty orange one. I'm assuming this might be my pin or like a keychain. Ooh, I see a pin. Oh, I think you guys are gonna get the first look. I have no idea if I'm holding this like properly or anyway, so I apologize. What is it? Oh my gosh. This is so cool. It's like Jack and he's holding a candy cane and a, I'm losing my words, a Christmas bulb. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna go with Christmas bulb. That's what I'm thinking of right now. This is from a Disneyland resort, it says on the back. Oh my god, limited edition of 1,000? This is so cool. And it's a double pin back. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this. That is so flippin' cool. Oh my gosh, I freaking love that. I'm putting that on my pin board right freaking away. Okay, next up is a gold. There's a lot of goodies in here. I still have 3 more plus this one. So next up we have this gold and white tissue paper. Oh my god, should we do that meme? Is this blue and whatever? Or gold and white and blue and teal? I'm saying that this is gold and white. You guys let me know down below. I'm assuming that this is a Funko Pop because that's normally the size of the boxes that they're in, so I'm going to be very gentle with this. I can tell from the bottom. Alright, I do collect a lot of Funkos, so I'm super excited. Ooh, it's Vampire Jack. I do have him, but you know what that means? It means that I can take him out of his box and have him as an outside box pop. That is fantastic. This box is actually in really good condition. So what I might do is maybe keep him and put my other one outside of the box. Or I could totally trade this with someone. This is flipping fantastic. I love Funko Pops. And again, Nightmare Before Christmas. Hello. Top notch. Okay guys, I still have 3 goodies in here. So let's do this one next. Ooh. This feels very flimsy. Maybe a shirt, maybe a tank top, maybe a scarf. I love this bright green. It actually matches my Oogie Boogie ears right now. What is this? Oh, I got a bunch of Disney stickers. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Minnie and Mickey. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of them. Can you guys see that? That is so cool. My daughter is definitely gonna freaking love that. Oh, that just fell. And then I also have this. I'm not too sure what this is. So let's open it together. Is this a pillowcase? Oh my freaking gosh, this is a freaking pillowcase. I'm totally putting this on my couch right now. My freaking parents and everyone in this house are gonna kill me. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. Haunted Mansion. Freaking pillow. Where did you find this? Oh my gosh. Do they both say the same thing? Yes, they both say the same thing, I think. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cool. When I put this on my pillowcase, I will insert a picture somewhere on here in my pillowcase. When I put this on my pillow, I will insert a picture here. But this is so freaking cool. This is such a good, like, this is quality. Has a zipper on the bottom for you to put your pillow in. Oh my god. That is so cool. I was not expecting that. I still have 2 items in the box, so I'm going to get this thing that's been rolling around this whole time. To be completely honest, I have no idea what this is. No idea what this is. I don't want to break anything. What is this? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. I think this is a candle. Candles with Character, Haunted Mansion. Dearly Loved. It says a place for faith, family, and fun with a whole lot of Disney. Dearlylove.net. So her Etsy shop I will find and link down below for the candle here, but I am so excited. Again, I'm going to save this bubble wrap for my candle company. And I got to smell this. Oh, what is that? It's kind of hard for me to smell right now because of my nose, but it's almost like citronella-y, and again, I don't know if that's my nose, but it smells really good. I'm definitely lighting this tonight, and this is a 4-ounce tin, so that is super cool. I never burn through my candles. Comment down below if you guys burn through yours, because I never can burn through a whole entire candle. I like the 4-ounce ones or even the 8-ounce ones because I normally can burn through most of them, just not like a really big Bath & Body Works ones. Okay, so next up is this item right here. I'm not too sure what it is. It feels like bubble wrap and a cardboard box. Again, I'm loving the tissue paper. Oh, It's an Amazon Prime bubble mailer. I knew I was right. Okay. I'm not too sure what is in this. It's like Christmas. Oh my gosh. Those are so stinking cute. Look at how cute and dainty these are. Oh my goodness. So, Sarah, can you let me know where you got these from so I can shout out the shop down below in the description box? I'm gonna take these bad boys off and I'm gonna put these ones on. Or did you make these? Look at guys. Oh, I love these. I love the little pop of orange. The bow doesn't overpower the little ears. Oh my gosh, I freaking love these. What a way to end off a box. That is fan-freaking-tastic. I'm sorry if I'm looking in the viewfinder. I'm trying to see how they look. Oh, I love them. Thank you so much. I just have to say, look at this freaking haul that I got. Sarah, you outdid yourself. This is fantastic. I am so totally blown away and so thankful. Honestly, you got me nailed to a freaking T. Thank you so much. So that was everything in this Disney Halloween swap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you are coming from another channel, please comment down below. Let me know where you came from. And also, please head down in the description box. I will have every single Disney YouTuber that is involved in this swap linked down below. And I will also have the first link in the box, the person that I sent a box to in this box swap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in another video. Bye!